and welcome back to For the Love of Paper and Ink. Candia here with my design team project for the month of June for Luise Heinzl. I used the Blueberry Mornings kit from her Etsy shop. I'll link in the description box below the kit and all of her links to her social media pages. This is a trifold file folder project that I made with the kit. It has a pocket with one of the kit pages on the front and a large pocket in the back with one of the kit pages. I supplemented on the front with a scrapbook page that I had. And on the inside here, I used some ribbon or lace that I had with all the kit pages here. I did some stamping to supplement, and I added a little flower that I thought went along with the kit. So the rest of this here is from the kit. But this is magnetically closed and has a little pocket with one of the kit tags in it. And then this has a little pocket on it, and this slides out right here. This is a little notebook, and I added some paper inside here. A little notebook inside there. This flips over, and on this side it has a large pocket right here, in addition to the belly band on the front of the pocket that can hold a couple of tags. Then this is a 3-tiered pocket, and in there I have a couple of the different tags from the kit, and this is a pocket up here too. And then this opens up this way, and this little folder folds down and has a little pocket inside there. And then we have a little banner tuck up top here. Then this lifts up, and there's little pockets right here full of tags from the kit. And then up here I left this blank, so you could, or not blank, but I put a tuck spot right here and right here, so you can tuck a big picture in there, or you can tuck a piece of paper in there. And then this side opens up as well, and we have a big pocket in here to tuck stuff in, and a big pocket here to tuck stuff in. And on this side, the back is a pocket, and this opens up with a button on it, and it has a couple of tags in it. The button holds it closed with some sari silk. And it just folds closed like this, and like this, and you have this fun folder with this beautiful paper from Luise Heinzl. So that's my kit for the month that I wanted to share with you, my design project for the month, using the Blueberry Mornings kit that I think is just absolutely beautiful. I love the butterflies and the blue colors in it. So I will see you guys next time. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and like and subscribe, and we'll catch you later. Bye.